Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video is in Sunriver. The house behind me is called Virginia Rail 9, I believe. So feel free, put it in Google and take a look at pictures. But I will be showing you the inside of this home. Quickly show you guys the surrounding homes. So this home is, I think, right under 3,600 square feet. So it is an absolutely massive home. And it's a very high-end home. So let's walk inside and I will show you guys a quick tour of this place. I don't know where the lights are, but here's a nice little bench. Oh, I just turned them off. Some bears right there.
We are in a new house.
She's excited if you can't tell. Check this thing out. That is so cool. Here's the main living room area. Got a nice curved TV. Stone backdrop with a nice fireplace. There's Andre. Here is the kitchen. Great room light. Nope, I just turned it off. Nice dining room table. Looks like granite countertops. Gas range. A Viking professional fridge. When you have a Viking and there's another one, Wolf, you know this is an expensive place. There's Viking. Look at how big and gorgeous this home is. Every single angle. Right here, we have our grill, little outside area. I believe hot tub is in that corner, but I have not seen it yet. Chloe, hi baby. Okay, so this is the first bedroom. Again, I have no idea where the lights are. What the? This has its own little light. It's kind of cool. Look at how tall these ceilings are. This is the thing that's probably the craziest about this whole place. Just look at that. Nice size room. Okay, to the right, this door is the bathroom. Nice size.
You hold me up to that room where the game place is.
This laundry room. I love the stone. Yeah, closet, vacuum, nothing special. And what is this? A mud room. Okay. So I guess this leads to the garage. Hey, we even have bikes. Garbage, I guess, right there. You're gonna park cars in? Okay. You could open both of them. We could start carrying the food in and whatnot. Okay, let's continue on. Mudroom. I don't see a point of these rooms, but here it is. This is the master bedroom. Double doors. Got a nice little couch. Big tall bed.
Whoa! This is cute.
It's cute? Wow.
Wow.
Look at that. Even the bathroom is double doors. Okay, this bathroom really is impressive. You got a double vanity with nice dark granite, a deep tub, a separate toilet, a big shower. So there is light. Let me see if this will do the trick. Yes. And the tub right here. This is so awesome. And here is the massive walk-through closet. Just look at this. You even have a little step thing.
Hmm? This is for kids.
That's for kids?
Maybe kids.
I don't think kids would have a master bedroom, Sophia.
Bye-bye, I'm gonna go shower.
Heading out of the master, and let's go upstairs. I didn't see that. Don't know what that is, but dang, look at that chandelier. That looks pretty neat. Okay, now this is where the carpet starts. As a kid, I know I would have jumped up there. They even put stone up there. Okay, so here's the other bedroom.
You know what? I really want this bedroom.
You really want this bedroom?
Yeah. I like bunk beds.
Every single house we go to, Sophia always wants to be in the room with a bunk bed. Assuming this will be a closet. Yep. Leave the door open. Curious if this is upstairs, because I saw one downstairs, if they're separate. Another double vanity bathroom. And a shower in here. Found the light, and then I noticed this is where the toilet is. Huh. We'll keep the lights on in every room. There's some steps right there. Wow, that's a big room. Let me turn on the light in this one. Another pretty big sized room. These beds are really tall.
Look, my
Hey, look at that. A little upstairs kitchen. Piano. I know my wife knows how to play. This is gonna be for the drinks. Nice pool table. Another TV, another fireplace. Oh, this is turning on the fireplace, but I don't think the gas is on. And this is a really nice office. Okay, this is look at this kid. This is an absolutely gorgeous home. I am so impressed. Babe, I was just telling him you know how to play piano, so can you bust us a song?
There's a piano here?
Right here.
It's been forever since I played though.
Okay. Just show us something. You probably have to turn it on. Standby on. And master volume. Can you still read the notes?
Wait, that's too
Thank you. That was wonderful. Okay, now we just have to unpack and wait for the others. I don't know what's kind of planned for us, but you guys saw the house at the very least, and I guess we will see what's going to happen later. Let's open up all these windows. All of them. You know what I need to do? I need to go make sure the hot tub is heating up.
So we are going on a bike ride. Andre, show us what you got. Show us what you got. That's what Andre's got.
Can someone please help me?
I can do this. Noah? Is this the only one with the tachka?
I think so.
Mama, none of them cold. Everyone stop moving.
I know, baby.
I know, I'm trying to move the pillow so I can actually do it. Still no. Are you laughing at me?
This is how blondes ride bikes. It started raining, but we're good because we already got ready.
Yeah!
It's kind of uncomfortable. It is. Traded her. Here you go, babe. And this little one is super tired. It is crazy peaceful here. And I feel like this Sunriver, I mean, there's a few owners here, but majority of these houses are rentable properties. And they have so many bike lanes and walking paths that are paved. I feel like there's maybe 400 houses here to rent out, if not more. And it is unbelievably peaceful here. Uncle Duty. Hi guys! Texting and writing. What is up with that? Whoa. And it looks like right now occupancy is pretty low. So like honestly, this is such a good place to retire at. Unbelievably peaceful and super quiet. This was a well awaited vacation. Love this place. There's our house, and behind it we have absolutely no neighbors. This is kind of the end of this Sunriver. I don't know what to call it, resort or not, but neighborhood. We'll say neighborhood. This is the end of the neighborhood. That's just kind of wilderness. There are no more homes this way. There are homes left and right, but nothing further this way. There's a running river, some snow here. I guess this is what the house looks like from the back. This house, 3 houses down, or 4 houses, I don't know. Looks really nice from their back. It has like a halfway wraparound patio. I'm sure there's so much wildlife here. And Chloe's out. So I guess we'll see how long I'll walk with her to have her nap. We just had dinner. We had super delicious burgers. And so Noah, he is turning 3 on the 6th. And it's not quite his birthday, but we figured we're gonna get him a cake. We're all gonna celebrate. It's a few days early, but he won't understand. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you. Sofieczka. No.
Yeah. Good job.
Noah, what do you think?
You want a cake too?
You like it? Look at all the cars you got. I know. Noah, you can take them off if you'd like.
Can I take you one off too?
What? No. Okay, take them off.
It's okay.
Woo! How am I cutting it? Like this? Or like that around?
Slices. Like pizza.
Pizza.
What kind of pizza is it? Russian?
No, well, hazelnut, Nutella.
It's kind of crumbly.
Mama,
It's the crust.
In August, she's already done.
Okay, birthday boy, give it a try.
Oh wait, there's the tea.
Dang, that's a big piece. It's yummy? Okay, good.
Hydrating.
Welcome to a new day. We have no idea what we're doing today, but we are all heading out for a walk. And it's a beautiful day. It unfortunately did not snow overnight. But again, it's sunny, and this is Yuri. I don't know if you guys will see this, but it's starting to snow. Wow. Got my big baby here. Yeah, there you go. Some snow on the ground. It's not like snow, it's almost hail-ish, soft hail. No jumping. Look, it's sunny and snow. Look at that, dark. And then blue skies. Look at my jacket. Wore the wrong one. Everything stuck to me. So nice here. It's slowing down. But you could see it right there. A lot of snow coming down. Look, this is where we are. This is where the bridge was. We saw an airplane landing and a helicopter going this way, which makes sense right here. I don't know. Village at Sunriver, we'll have to go there, but it seems like we're actually pretty far. And I think our house is number 9 right here. In a short 15-20 minutes, look at that. This whole path is white. Now you could hear some crunchiness underneath our feet. We have decided to go to the store, pick up a few items. Oh, Yuri doesn't need to move his car. Yeah, we good. Oh, it's so nice. Snow came down just a little bit. Still very nice. Made it to the local store, Sunriver Marketplace. There you go. It's a pretty small store and stuff is kind of expensive. I like these BMWs. The grill is massive though. People are right. Dang. So I forgot my wallet in the car. They're all giving me a heck of a hard time about it. But the prices in here, guys, are freaking insane. Like, we could get ice cream, like chocolate bars, for $3 for 3 of them. It's $10 here. More than 3 times the price. Milk, 2 gallons, is like 5 something here. What else did we buy? Ice cream, like $6-7. Tea, 40 teas, bags of tea, $5. This is insane. I told them let's go to Walmart. They didn't want to go. They'd rather overpay. Wow. All right, guys, this is my sponsor. We're gonna take a break from everything, enjoy ourselves, maybe go jump in the hot tub. Did you just eat it?
I just caught it in midair. Look at that.
You ripped it.
No, it was falling while I was carrying it, and right when it was falling, I stuck my hand in.
Wow.
Caught it. We have a ninja reflex.